It's a beautiful sunny day here in Bristol, and this video is going to be covering some of this weekend's auctions for SLs and also the previous historics auction. But before we do that, let's see if we can get our own SL started. Now this is a Dejectronic car, and what I've done is put a little fuel gauge in here, fuel pressure gauge. And what we're going to do first is pressurize the fuel system so that we don't end up turning the car over and flattening the battery. So we just turn the keys a couple of times till we get to 2 bar there. There we go. We can see that the system is pressurized now. Let's see if the car starts. So first start in 4 or 5 months. Let's see how we go. Look at that, first time. So you've just driven around the block, Grace. How was it?
It was amazing.
And you've got our new merch on as well.
Yeah.
That's a one of one.
You should buy some.
One of the things that inspired me to get this red car out today, quite apart from the fact it's actually a sunny day, is up in Newcastle, which is about a 4-hour drive away. There's an auction going on for a 1990, so the very last year they made these cars, a 1990 300 SL in red, just 38,000 miles, and it has quite a rare option, not a factory option, but it has an electric hood. You could actually get electric hoods fitted to these cars, and the car that's coming up for auction has been in the same ownership for 20 years, so I suspect that will do quite well.
Right, telephone bids, we're ready on this. Loads of interest in this car. What we have here is lot number 13, a 1990 Mercedes-Benz SL300, 38,000 miles on the clock. Yes, that's right. Ownership for 20 years on the car. They've owned it for 20 years. Straight in 18,000, 18,250. It's got to do 20, 18,5, 18,5, 750, 19,250, 19,5, 19,5, 20,000, 20,001, 21, 21,5, 22, 22,000, 38,000 miles, 22,5, to the phone. 22,5 on the phone, 23,000 I have, 23,5 I have, 24 I have on the phone. Phone first, 24,000, 24,000, 24,5, 24, 25, 25. We just 30 on nothing, 25,000 pounds on Mercedes SL there now on sale at 25,000, 25,5, 25,5. You're out. You want 26. 26 I have on the phone, 38,000 miles, what a car, on sale Scrooby's phone, 26,000 pounds, what? 26,000 pounds twice, I'm selling away, 26,500 last minute, I apologise, that was very close, isn't it? 27 straight away on sale, at 27,000 pounds once, twice, fair warning, and then you were too slow there, I gave you a chance.
One of the things I've been doing recently is using the new OpenClaw software to build up a database of all the SLs sold in the UK. And if you follow this channel for any period of time, the first ever auction video covered the sale of a red 300 SL at Copart, and that sold for an incredible £22,500, which plus Copart fees would be about £25,000. And bear in mind that was a crash damaged car. We also covered the sale of a pristine version of this car, which sold for well over £40,000. So at £27,000, I reckon the buyer got a reasonable deal. Well, that auction demonstrated that there's still ready demand for late R107s. Unfortunately, the same can't be said of the earlier R107s. The next car up in that auction was a 1984 car, which didn't meet reserve.
Right, next one, a Mercedes-Benz for 280 SL. The telephone bid is ready. I'm starting at £7,000. That's £7,000. £7,000 a bid is £7,000 on the net. That's £7,000 a bid for the 280 SL is £7,000. £7,000. Looks a very cheap car. That business sold. Phone you out, make no mistake. 87.50 once, twice and done. 87.50. Provisional.
Next up, we have this weekend's iconic auction, in which there were 4 SLs up for sale. Most of them actually sold, albeit at the lower end of their estimates.
Lot number 148, the 1993, the Mercedes-Benz, the SL600 here for you. The R129 example here. V12 motoring, of course. Bids then straight in with you online then at 6,000, the opening bid at 6,000. Seated here at 11,000. If we're all done and sure then, we'll sell the car then at 11,000. Fair warning online then, here at 11,000, all done. Yours, sir, 11,000. On to lot number 166 for you, the 2011 Mercedes-Benz, the R230 SL500 here for you. Driven here to the sale, ladies and gentlemen. Nicely presented example, low mileage, of course. And what should we say for this then? Bids here with me then at 8,000, 5, 9,000, 9,500, 10,000, I can say. It's good to see you. 11,600 then, selling online. All done, all sure then. Your car, 11,600.
157, the 1985 Mercedes-Benz, the 380 SL. UK supplied this in the signal red with its hardtop. Interest already I have here at 995, 10,000 I have. 10,000 with my absentee, not yours in Harrow. For the Mercedes at 12,000. Fair warning to you all then at 12,000. If no one's offering more at 12,000, I'll sell to the absentee then at 12,000. That's theirs at 12,000.
On to lot number 403. It's this rather special 1999 Mercedes-Benz. It's the SL320, the R129 shape, of course. Please note, following the MOT, the dashboard warning light relates to a steering position sensor. Just some 20,500 miles there. As I say, presented in outstanding condition, this Mercedes for you. What should we say here then? Bids here with me then at 14,000, the opening bid. Here at 14,000. 14,000. Take another anywhere else, 14,000. Otherwise, we're here and selling at 19,500, then all done, all sure. 19,500. 19,500.
And just to finish this video, we have the Historics auction, which happened back on the 7th of March. There were 7 SLs up for auction, of which 4 sold and 3 didn't meet the reserve.
Thank you. Lot number 207, moving on now to the Mercedes SL65 AMG. This car just down on the on our left-hand side. It's 2006, just 3.4 McGee per car. V12 plate comes with it as well. Now, the roof has stopped working since it arrived on site, but the vendor has said that they will have it fixed by a specialist at their expense post-sale. So it will be fixed. It's just it's quite a common issue with these. They're going to have that fixed at their expense. We're going to start the bidding on that on the sheet with me. We're going to have to go 32,000 pounds. Gets us underway, and we're going to go in once on that. 32,000 is the bid. Who'll bid me 33? 37,000 pounds. You want to go half, sir? Online then, going to hold the money. Once at 37,000. Twice at 37,000. Third and final time for 37,000 pounds. Provisional Australia. Right, moving to lot number 233 is a 2005 Mercedes-Benz, the SL65 AMG. You'll not miss this thing coming. Black Series body kit with the matching wheels as well. Sizable history file with many, many bills and invoices totaling over £30,000. I do have some bits on that, but again, I'm going to look your way, see if you want to take them out of the water. Right, who's going to start me on it? Nice round £30,000. You leave that there again now. So who wants to start me at £30,000? Put your hand up on that. Lot of car, just about paying for the bills, by the seems of it. Anybody wish to come in at 30,000? Right, interest. Going to start the bidding on that. We're going to have to go 25 and 26, please. 27, sir. 27, 28's against you. Do you want to go 29? Now for £35,000. Anybody else in the hall? Once, twice, third and last it goes for £35,000.
Mercedes-Benz 190 SL from 1959. It's a low mileage example, and it's just had £12,000 spent on it. It is magnificent. I can't remember where it is. I think it's that end of a room. Absolute magnificent car, and still bearing the original number plate, 5 BOF. 5 BOF is the number plate on that one. Let's start here. What do we got? Well, we can start here at 72. I've got, I can start at 68. 68,000. 68,000 starts me off. I'll take your bid at 70. 68,000. 68 is my bid. 78. It's looking good, sir. It's 78,000. Emma is down. It's 78,000 pounds now. On my right, it's 78. We're going to take this as a provisional offer unless you bid now. 78,000 then against you all online and against you here at Ascot at 78,000 then. Let's take your number, sir. Let's see what magic we can weave. 2011 Mercedes-Benz SLS65 AMG Roadster. Guess how many miles it's done from new? 3,000 miles from new. It's just been serviced and MOT'd by Mercedes-Benz in Brooklyn last month. Starting the bidding here then for this Mercedes-Benz at 90,000, 92,000, 92,000 I have. Don't rub it in. 115,000 pounds now is the bid. 115,000 pounds then is the bid on the telephones at 115. We'll submit that, but it should be quite a quick answer.
277. We have a 1977 Mercedes-Benz, the 450 SL. A previously restored example. It does come with its private plate as well. You get that with it. It is the 450 SL, and we have interest on that, and we're going to start the bidding at 8,000, and we'll have to go 8.5, please, Ness. Twice, third and final time at £10,500. 10,500. We'll leave that one there, I'm afraid, at 10,500. Do please have a chat with the guys in the office on that one again. Right, lot number 280. A lot of a 280 now is a 1987 Mercedes-Benz, the 560 SL. This is a car that was imported from the US and is presented in lovely condition, some history, and does come with a very recent MOT as well. We're going to have to open the bidding on that one today. Well, let's ask for a bit more first. Who wants to start me at a nice round? Who's got £10,000 for it? £10,000 for that. Who'll start me at £10,000? Any interested at 10? I'm watching you. Hey, you're nearly out of bid then. Right, well, we're going to have to start the bidding then. We're going to have to go 8,000 and 8.5 at 10.5 then. Once it goes. Twice, third and final time at £10,500. Sold.